Foods here in the fourth quarter. Johnny Abarito sa kawala. Binigay kay Hawkins. Gomez! Yes!
Again, that's what you call execution.
Labas kay Alvin Patrimonio. The jumper by Alvin! That's a three-point shot!
And that was a major basket by Alvin Patrimonio. There's
Cariaso.
the pass. It's
Lastimosa with a
from
three!
outside. Yes, again! Lastimosa, another three-point basket!
The
And
fourth
what an
quarter
execution!
man
What an
delivers.
execution!
Kapasok to pumare. Masyado malakas yung pasa. Uy, nakuha ni Cariaso. Cariaso, 2 steps, 3 steps ahead. Yes! Costly error there.
Yes.
Jericho Diñera. Nakita si Rovena at the corner. Favorite spot. Yes! It's a three-point shot. It's a triple V by Paul Rovena.
Lastimosa, taking it strong.
Hey!
Pumasok!
Yora with a foul. Hawkins. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Cariaso. Yes! Tabla na naman. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kabalas ka narito si Johnny Abarientos. Binibigyan ng pick ni Pochuino. Abarientos sumaksak. Binigay ko Hawkins. Labas kay Lastimosa. Open shot!
Oh, what a
From
basket!
Bobby!
George Lastimosa again delivering the goods from three-point range, no less.
The moment of truth is at hand, mga kaibigan. Fourth quarter na po ito. Last 12 minutes of regulation play. At ito po ang ginawa nila ng unang tatlong quarters. Nakikita po ninyo sa inyong screen. Samantala, sa pag-uumpisa po ng fourth quarter, tabla tayo. Tabla. 63 all. Johnny Abarrientos to Bong Hawkins against Edmond Reyes. Hawkins, gumagalaw ngayon. Oops, pumitos referee Ernie De Leon. At tawagan po ng foul si Edmond Reyes.
Coach Sean Reyes starting the fourth period with two players who have yet to score in this game, but his two trusted veterans, Glenn Capasio at si Alvin Patrimonio.
Samantala, ito si Edmond Reyes nga pala. Kinito, 4 ng personal fouls. Cat and mouse play. Bong Hawkins. Talaga namang tenacious play on the part of Bong Hawkins. Nakahawakan pa ni Evangelista yung bola pero binaliwala yun ni Bong Hawkins.
Ayan ang tinatawag natin na power play ni Bong Hawkins. Once he's inside the paint in scoring position, very difficult to stop. Also because he's got a lot of fake moves.
65-63 Pure Foods, or rather Alaska is now on top by 2. Dito po sa fourth quarter, Glenn Capasio. Nilabas kay Alvin Patrimonio. The jumper by Alvin! That's a three-point shot!
And that was a major basket by Alvin Patrimonio. His first field goal of the game, and that should be a big morale boost
Oh, yes.
for the Tender Juicy Hot Dogs.
Matindi yun. Matindi yung field goal na yan ni Alvin Patrimonio. That also puts them on top by 1, 66-65. Ruel Gomez. Lamang kay Glenn Capasio. Narito na naman si Bong Hawkins. Sinusundan ni Edmond Reyes. Yo-yos the shot. Bong Hawkins tries to get it back. At merong foul na tatawagin. Tingnan natin. Mukhang si Edmond Reyes na naman ito. Yes. At alam mo, nandun na si Jericho Diñera. Papalitan na sana si Edmond Reyes. Pero as these things go, naunahan na naman ng foul na yan. Ito, ni Edmond.
Alam mo, very determined ito si Bong Hawkins. When he missed that shot from up close, siya pa na nakakuha ng offensive rebound.
1-point lead by Pure Foods here in the fourth quarter. Johnny Abarito sa kawala. Binigay kay Hawkins. Gomez! Yes!
Again, that's what you call execution. Hinahanap nila si Roel Gomez. Hawkins had the shot, but he elected to dish it off to Roel Gomez, who was spotted up for the three-pointer.
2-point lead by Alaska at 68-66. 10 minutes and 7 seconds to go in the ball game. Jericho Diñera lamang kay Bong Hawkins. Alvin Patrimonio ngayon, double team by Ramos and Hawkins. Nilabas kay Glenn Capasio. 3-point shot ni Glenn. Wala. Loose ball. Picked up by Evangelista. Evangelista naghahanap ng papasahan. Dito Pumaran. Oops. Referee Ernie De Leon spotted the foul inside. Tatatawagan si Jeffrey Cariaso. Pang-apat din yan ni Jeffrey Cariaso.
Kaya kanina ito si Glenn Capasio took that three-point attempt. Kung pumasok yun, that would have been a major boost as well for Pure Foods after that three-point shot of Alvin.
Pero loose ball foul na tatawagin. Kay Jeffrey Cariaso yata ito. Yes, pang-5 na ni Jeffrey Cariaso, who is top scoring together with Bong Hawkins for Alaska. Pareho silang may 17 puntos. Doon po sa rebound play na yan, Ray Evangelista. Meron na sanang magandang pwesto para sa rebound pero natabig siya ni Jeffrey Carriazo.
Partner, kaya ubusan nito sa fouls, ha?
Oh,
The way things are going.
Alvin Patrimonio. Titira ulit. Wala. Carriazo. Ayun, sabi ni Carriazo, akin na talaga to.
And as we observe, Alvin Patrimonio very gingerly trotting to the defensive end of the floor.
2-point lead by Alaska. Evangelista. Binigay kay Pumaran. Pumaran forward na to Glenn Capasio. Capasio to Pumaran. Masyado malakas yung pasa. Uy, nakuha ni Carriazo. Carriazo. 2 steps, 3 steps ahead. Yes! Costly error there.
Yes, another hustle play here by Alaska. They're applying pressure now in the backcourt.
It's a 4-point lead by Alaska Milk. 8 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in the ball game. Pumaran. Dilabas kay Evangelista. Evangelista top of the key. Binigay kay Alvin Patrimonio. Patrimonio nakatingin kay Pumaran. Laban kay Johnny Abarientos. Pumaran dilabas kay Capasio. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Jericho Dinero. Wala! Evangelista comes down with the rebound. Nabitawan ako ni Patrimonio. Wala pa rin. Jericho Dinero!
That's a big offensive rebound coming from the outside. Jericho Dinero, but you've got to credit Alvin Patrimonio's heart. He
May foul.
kept that ball alive.
May foul doon. May foul.
Yes, may foul. Patrimonio getting the offensive rebound, keeping the ball alive, and Codinera from the outside. Nobody between Codinera and the basket.
Si Kevin Ramos mo tinawagan ng kanyang pangatlong personal foul dito sa larong ito. 8 minutes and 32.4 seconds of colorful action still left. At ngayon, ang ating score 70-69 in favor of Alaska. 1-point lead by Alaska. Remember, Alaska looking to end the series here and now. Hawkins is open. Wala. Rebound. Hawkins pa rin. Goes out of bounds in favor of Alaska.
And what a play by Bong Hawkins. He was out of bounds, except his feet were not out of bounds.
Bounced it
And
off Bong Ravenna.
He bounced it off Bong Ravenna, so Alaska will keep. Smart play by Hawkins. And he gets the ball down low.
Gomez. Not this time. Evangelista para sa rebound.
He's been a bulwark for Pure Foods underneath the boards. Ray Evangelista.
Alam mo, he's being compared to Dennis Rodman and he's living up to that.
Yes.
7 minutes 56 seconds to go. 1-point lead by Alaska. Evangelista blocked. Evangelista tries to get it back. It goes out of bounds. Referee Tangonan says Pure Foods will keep it. First 24 second shot clock for Pure Foods. Jericho Dinero puts it up. Short. Bong Ravenna, napaaga yung talon. Nakuha ni Roel Gomez.
Big rebound by Roel Gomez.
Oh.
I didn't know he jumped that high.
1-point lead still by Alaska. Jojo Lastimosa, pumuposisyon laban kay Bong Ravenna. Lastimosa, humarap ngayon. Lastimosa, dinala sa loob. Running shot by Lastimosa, no good. Kevin Reyes, napitawan sa baseline. Hustle, hustle, hustle. On both ends of the court, you've got to credit these two teams. They have given us first-class basketball from the word go.
Well, totoo yan, Ed. Pure Foods trying desperately to stay alive in this series.
Ano ito ngayon si Dindo Pumaran, binibigyan ng pick ni Patrimonio. Pumaran spots, wala. Loose ball. Evangelista gets to it. Pasok kay Bong Ravenna, lumabas. Last touch ni Johnny Abarientos.
Close call because I thought Abarientos might have had some contact near the sideline. And you know, of course, Abarientos with 3 personal fouls.
Evangelista gets the pass at high post. Sabi niya, hindi ko pwesto ito. Alvin Patrimonio laban kay Kevin Ramos. Patrimonio makes his move. Talagang hindi pa magaling yung pangin. Medyo umuuga. Patrimonio's pass. Gomez gets to it. Pero napulot ni Jericho Dinero. Sandali lang. Outside the row. Sabi ni referee Tangonan with 3 seconds on the shot clock of Pure Foods. 3 seconds on the shot clock.
Both these teams diving for the loose ball as if
ang
their
ganda.
lives depended on it.
Ang ganda nito.
Oo.
Bong Ravenna's pass to Dindo Pumaran. Reverse layup. Hindi pumasok. Pumaran gets it back. Off the Patrimonio on the outside. 6 minutes and 40 seconds to go. 1-point lead by Alaska.
Patrimonio asking for the clear out, but he'll dish it off.
Jericho Diñera. Nakita si Ravena at the corner. Favorite spot. Yes! It's a three-point shot. It's a triple V by Bong Ravena.
Alaska's defense not contesting the outside shot. All you need is to put a hand in the face of Ravenna, but
Uy.
that time,
Tinamaan si Lastimosa ni Evangelista sa muka. Nung kumakat si Lastimosa, hindi naman sinasadya. That's an accident. At
well, the play will stop.
pang-apat na personal foul kay Ray Evangelista. Ayun yung tira ni Bong Ravena. Sabi natin nga, favorite spot ni Bong Ravena yan sa gilid.
Uncontested outside shot by Ravenna.
6 minutes, 14 seconds to go. This is game number 5, ladies and gentlemen. Alaska looking to win the game and win the series, or wrap up the series. Pure Foods wants to extend it. Abarientos, nilabas kay Hawkins! Offline. Labanan sa rebound, merong loose ball foul. It's going to be on Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos picks up foul number 4. Alalahanin po ninyo mga kaibigan, si Hawkins ay meron ng 4. Ngayon, si Johnny Abarientos meron na rin 4. Lamang ang Pure Foods ng dalawa, 72-70. 5 minutes and 49 seconds to go in the ball game. Patrimonio at the corner. Evangelista posting up against Jojo Lastimosa. Pero natapik ni Jolas ang bola. Evangelista ulit. Changes directions. Si referee Tangora may nakita foul sa ilalim. It's going to be against Kevin Ramos. As he was covering Patrimonio underneath. Meron pong timeout na tatawagin si Coach Tim Cone ng Alaska. Alam mo, ganito kahit saan ako magpunta ngayon, ito pinag-uusapan Alaska Pure Foods. Kung Webes, nandun ako sa Pampanga. Yung mga tao ron, tiyatanong sa akin, Alaska Pure Foods. Maya pabenguin po kay kayo, mga kabalinding Kinito Hensul. Wala naman sinabi sa Kapampangan. Oh, Diyos ko. Eto na, si Alvin Patrimonio.
Pero yun, hindi ko tatakot kay ka ba? Yan.
Yan na naman. Wala ka na ibang sinabi talaga. So, Diñera misses from the outside. Lastimosa picks up the loose ball. Eto na, Johnny Abarientos. Daladala bola para sa Alaska. Lamang po ang Pure Foods ng dalawa. 72-70. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to go in this ball game. Abarientos is open! Yes!
Well-run execution by Alaska. At what I can't understand, Ed, is kung bakit hindi nila sinasentro ang opensa ng Alaska against Alvin Patrimonio, who appears to be a liability on defense.
Oo.
Turned around by, that's a hard shot.
Ray Evangelista with the offensive rebound. Wala. Nakuha niya ulit. Evangelista pa rin. Wala na naman. Eto na. Alaska on the run, pero si Coach Winyo, medyo may iniinda rin sa likod.
Anyway. May pumipito
Oo nga, akala ko rin eh. May pumipito rin sa audience eh. Nalilito rin.
Kanya parang humito yung fast break ng Alaska.
Nalilito rin yung mga players eh. Johnny Abarreto, sumaksak sa loob. Oops, kapitawan ni Coach Winyo.
Too hard a pass. Winyo really hasn't been involved in the offense here for Alaska with only 2 points.
Well, Mr. Rene Montemayor, the president of Pure Foods, medyo on edge. Samantala, meron po tayong 20-second timeout na tinawag si Coach Chot Reyes. Si Coach Chot Reyes, meron po 3 full timeout. Si Coach Tim Cone, 3 full timeout at isang 20-second timeout.
Alam mo, kanina, binanggit natin that Winyo really hasn't been involved in the offense. Kanya nung pinasahan siya ni Johnny Abarientos, he didn't know what to do with the ball. He didn't expect that pass.
Okay, Kinito, meron tayong special dugout report here by Anthony Suntay on the condition of Rodney Santos. Anthony?
Okay, thanks a lot, Ed. I'm sitting here right beside Rodney. Rodney, ano ba talaga nangyari?
Kasi kanina yung pagsundot ko kay Jolas tumama yung kamay ko sa bola. Kaya lang medyo malakas yung dating paangat So parang kumalas yung balikat ko. Buti naman, kasi alam ko babalik kasi normal lang yung pag-dislocate niya. Kaya nung makita ko ni Bong, inangat niya. So pag-angat niya, bumalik. So okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya lang, siyempre mahirap sumugal. Baka at least medyo pahinga muna tayo. Gusto ko maglaro
Okay, sige, maraming salamat. Let's go back to you now, Ed.
Parang baliwala sa kanila, no? Na bumukol yung kanyang balikat. Sabi niya, basta hinila na lang ni Bong Ravena.
Parang normal daw yung distribution. Bong Ravena! Operating well inside.
speaking of Bong Ravena, 17 puntos na po ang ginagawa ni Ferdinand Ravena dito po sa larong ito at lamang na naman ang dalawang Pure Food 74-72. Bong Hawkins at the corner. Quarter court jumper by Hawkins. Wala. Evangelista.
And they'll call a foul, I think, on Abarientos. That will be number 5.
Yes.
And that will put
Nako.
Pure Foods at the stripe. That's the penalty situation working against Alaska.
Ano na ini? Delikado. Pure Foods with a 2-point lead. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Alam mo, kanina, nasabi ko kay Chod Reyes, makikita kami dun sa wakwak. Sabi ko sa kanya, mukhang relax na relax ka. Pero nung first quarter, maalala mo, ganito, tinawagan ka agad ng technical yan. Maagang maaga dahil parang mainit na mainit siya.
I think he wanted to fire up his players. So
Oh.
we mentioned that before. Ito si Coach Fred Reyes. Mahilig yan sa mga sidewalk.
Saywar,
tactics,
oo. Isa rin niyang coach na ika nga maraming tricks up his sleeve, ika nga. Samantala si Ray Evangelista, he has been at the forefront of the Pure Foods campaign in this ball game. Split charities by Ray Evangelista. At binigyan po niya ang Pure Foods ng 3 puntos sa kalamangan, 75-72. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Well, at this stage, useless na. Paupuin ito si Johnny Abarientos with 5 personal fouls. So it's just so little time left.
Jojo Lastimosa trying to get by Ravena. Pochuino. At merong foul. Uy. Si Pochuino naman ngayon. Sa mukha naman tinamaan. Jerry Cordillera.
Cordillera will be called for the foul.
Pangalawa lang yan, Jerry.
Yes, and that will be team foul number 5 for Pure Foods.
Samantalang ang Alaska lagpas na sa penalty kanina pa. So, sideline inbounds here for Alaska. Ayun, ang gawa nila sa ilalim.
And what a struggle this has been. Lastimosa taking it strong.
Hey! Yora! With a foul!
What a move by Jojo Lastimosa. Again, Pure Foods allowing Jojo the baseline.
Alam po ninyo mga kaibigan kung nanonood po kayo ngayon at medyo mahina-hina ang puso nyo, medyo painom-inom kayo ng tubig, pareho ng ginagawa namin dito. This is not for the faint of heart. This excitement is just too much.
Kanina pa nga ako umiinom na tubig dito eh.
Ako din, nakakaisang pitchel na yata ako rito. Tabla na naman, 75 all. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Patrimonio, labang kay Hawkins. Patrimonio makes his move. Nilabas kay Ravena. Ravena with a set shot. Wala. Abarientos for the rebound. Abarientos pushing it up for Alaska. Abarientos hinahabol ni Evangelista. Abarientos ang kinalapot. Wala. Tingnan natin. Loose ball foul on Pochuino. And Tim Cone says, huwag ka na magreklamo. Huwag ka magreklamo. Okay lang. Sabi ni Tim Cone. No complaint.
And Coach Tim Cone telling Abarientos that he should have just taken the jump shot because he was wide open. He elected to drive strong to the hoop. He was hoping to get a foul in the process.
Alala mo, sabi nga ng maraming tao nakikita ko kanina, ano kaya? I-straighten na ba ng Alaska? Sabi ko, kayo. Pero sabi na, panunoorin ko pa rin. Mukhang people felt it in their bones that the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs will want to come back and in a big way. Sa kasalukuyan, lamang ng isa ang Pure Foods. Hindi pa rin natin masabi. Maari pong kunin na ng Alaska itong kampiyonato rito.
Well, malaking bagay yung contribution ni Alvin Patrimonio, not only in terms of points, but in terms of inspiration to his teammates. And yan na naman isa sa mga surpresa ni Coach Sotreyes. Take a look at the offensive rebound story. 18-4.
At yung 6 dyan sa 18 ng Pure Foods, kay Ray Evangelista. Okay. Hawkins. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Carriazo! Yes! Tabla na naman! 77 all. 2 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Dito po sa ating game number 5 ng Best of 7 Championship Series. Evangelista. Labang kay Lastimosa. Nalabas kay Jerry Cordillera. Cordillera naghahanap ng papasahan. Cordillera gets closer. Jumper is offline. Carriazo gets to it. Binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Sigawan po mga fans ng Alaska Milk as we go into the last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Tanduay Run 5 Years Junior Lapad. Tanway, the number 1 rum. 10 seconds on the shot clock of Alaska. Narito si Johnny Abarientos. Binibigyan ng 50 points Swinyo. Abarientos sumaksak. Binigay ko Hawkins. Labas kay Lastimosa. Open shot!
Oh, what a
Tababe!
basket! Roger Lastimosa again delivering the goods from 3-point range, no less.
At may timeout si Coach Chot Reyes. Okay mga kaibigan, ito po yung 3-point shot ni Georgia Lastimosa in that last play which has given Alaska a 3-point lead. Ang ating pong oras na nalalabi, 1 minute 32 seconds. Alaska by 3, 80-77.
And look at this move by Coach Tim Cone. Johnny Abarientos sitting on the bench, and it's Jude Reyes taking his place because they needed someone who can gamble on defense. Abarientos with 5 personal fouls.
Samantala, si Alvin Patrimonio connected on a jumper and the Alaska lead is down to 1. We have a timeout by Alaska. Alam mo, kinito kanina kasama ko yung mga kabibi ng Shell. Kahit na yung Shell wala na rin sa labanang ito, ay very interested pa rin sila. At sabi sa akin ng Kapitan Kabibi, si Ed Mapa, alam mo, Ed, mamaya ito kayo, sabi niya ganoon, expected goal. Isang classic na laro between Pure Foods and Alaska. Ganito nga nangyayari.
Ito nga, this is indeed a classic duel.
1 minute and 16 seconds to go. Just a 1-point lead by Alaska.
Some changes in the lineups. Olsen Racela inside the game for Tito Pumare, and he will play tough defense. They'll call a 20-second timeout.
Yes, Johnny Abarientos calling that one. At sa kasalukuyan, mga kaibigan, 1 minute and 8 seconds to go. Merong 80-79 ang ating score. A 1-point lead by Alaska Milk. At, alam mo, naalala ko na naman yung sinabi sa akin ni Chot Reyes kanina. Sabi niya sa akin, kung maka-82 kami, malamang kami mananalo.
Oo.
Abangan natin yan, ha?
And take a look at the foul trouble situation here in this game. 2 Alaska players with 5 personals apiece, Carriazo and Abarientos. Pure Foods badly needing a defensive stop. Let's listen in.
7 seconds on the shot clock.
Ito yung huli na lang.
Oo.
Ayun, natinig po natin ay 1, 2, 3.
Reyes and Evangelista with 5 personals on the Pure Foods camp.
Okay. Both teams in the penalty. Oy, Lastimosa! Libre! Sumaksak sa loob! Pinasa pa bola! Nakagulo! Outside for Alaska. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Only 2 seconds on the shot clock of Alaska. 1:03 to go on the game clock.
What a decision on Lastimosa's part. He was mid-air, but
Whoa,
he
whoa,
didn't
whoa,
get the shot. And the shot clock has expired on Alaska.
Okay. At nako. Sinasabi ko sa iyo kinito talaga namang mga tao rito halos mahulog na sa upuan sa excitement.
Yes, and Dito Pumarin is checking back in because it's going to be Pure Foods on the offense.
Samantala, meron timeout na tinawag si Coach Chot Reyes ng TJ Hot Dogs. Yan po ang score natin mga kaibigan. Alaska with a 1-point lead at 80-79. Ang oras na nalalabi, 1 minute and 2 seconds. At sa Pure Foods ang bola. Magandang gabi po sa buong Pilipinas. Ito po ang pagod na pagod pero masayang panel ninyo sa Vintage Sports. Ed Picson at Kinito Henson. Yan po ang ating game reset. Yan po ang sitwasyon. Pareho po nasa penalty. Meron pa pong 2 timeout ang Alaska. Isa para sa Pure Foods. Magmula po sa umpisa ng larong ito, wala pong patid ang aksyon at kagilagilalas na basketball na ipinakikita ng dalawang kupunang ito.
Defensive unit here for Alaska. Castelo and Reyes on the floor.
Samantala, Subong Ravena. Umaatake ngayon para sa Pure Foods. Sa loob na siya. Tinabot ang bola kay Evangelista!
It has been Ray Evangelista keeping that Pure Foods flag flying.
Pero maganda yung pasang yun ni Bong Ravena.
Yes.
Maganda yung pasang ni Bong Ravena. At nakikita po ninyo si Ray Evangelista. Binibigyan ng high fives ng kanyang mga kakampi. Si Tim Cone naman ang tumawag ng timeout. Ito na po mga kaibigan, last 42 seconds of the ball game. Alaska is down by 1. Pure Foods 81, Alaska 80. At pareho po nasa penalty ang dalawang kupunang ito. This game will have to go down into the books, Kinito, as one of those classics again here at the PBA.
Oh, definitely so. Now Racela on Johnny Abarientos. It's going to be a clear out for him. He'll use the pick set up by Bong Hawkins. There's the
Cariaso.
pass. It's
Lastimosa with a
from
three!
outside. Yes, again! Lastimosa, another 3-point basket!
The
And
fourth
what an
quarter
execution!
man
What an
delivers.
execution!
A fourth quarter man delivers for Alaska, and the Milkmen up by 2. We have a timeout by Chot Reyes. All right, here's the situation, folks. At this point, Alaska was down by 1. Georgia Lastimosa with a 3-point shot. Big triple V by Jolas, and now Alaska is in the lead by 2. 83-81 here in Game 5. Pero meron pa po tayo nalalabi na 29.4 seconds. Malayo pa po yan. As you see, Mr. and Mrs. Freddy Teng Su cheering their team on. Of course, that's Alaska. 2 puntos sa kalamangan ng Alaska with 29.4 seconds.
And that's what you call precise execution. There was a high pick set up by Bong Hawkins when Abarrientos. He dribbled around that pick, passed it off to Jeffrey Cariaso. He came in, tried to get off a jump shot, found his way not clear, and then he passed it back. The kick out to Georgia Lastimosa. What an execution by Alaska.
Well, nakita rin natin nung last basket ni Ray Evangelista sa Pure Foods. Maganda rin ang execution nun off a timeout. So, tinan natin kung ano mangyayari dito. But whatever happens here, mga kaibigan, sabi nga natin, this game is really one that will be remembered for a very, very long time. Kahit sino manalo.
So this is the big challenge now
Yep.
on Alaska's defense. Abarrientos is in the game. He was not replaced by June Reyes for defensive purposes.
Oh, this still by Bong Hawkins. Patrimonio gets it over to Bong Ravena. Bong Ravena underneath. Scores the tying basket with 18.7 seconds remaining. 18.7 seconds remaining. We are tied again.
What an alert play by Bong Ravena, finding himself open, but
Pag-
had to operate under difficult circumstances, almost a steal, and what a pass by the captain. And here you see the inside operation of Bong Ravena.
Alam ninyo mga kaibigan, pinag-uusapan lang natin kanina kinito. Ito si Bong Ravena. Matagal na natin nakita ito sa amateur at alam natin kung ano ang galing nito. Pero what a time for Bong Ravena to shine here in this series with 18.7 seconds left. We are tied at 83 all. Ano ba? Hindi ba matatapos ng laro to?
Well, you've got to hand it to Bong Ravena. He's played an outstanding game here in the fourth period. He has scored a total of 7 points. And he, Evangelista, have done wonders here for Pure Foods. And let's not forget Alvin Patrimonio. He passed it off to Ravena, and Ravena completed that play. Patrimonio, incidentally, has also scored 7 points. His only points of the ball game here in the fourth period. And he has been the big surprise for Coach Chot Reyes. He pulled the rabbit out of his hat here in the fourth period, and Alvin Patrimonio came out of that hat. Patrimonio hardly played before the
Yes.
fourth period.
Mga kaibigan, alalahanin po ninyo ang Alaska, isang laro na lang ang kailangan nilang ipanalo para po makuha ang championship. Ang Pure Foods naghahabol. 3-1 ang abante ng Alaska in a best-of-7 championship series. May mga lobo na po sa ibabaw. We still have 18.7 seconds to settle the issue. Tabla, 83 all. Both teams in the penalty. Alaska will inbound from midcourt with Bong Hawkins.
Ed Pure Foods is supposed to be the PBA's #1 defensive team. Now we'll find out whether they can pull off a defensive stop here on Alaska.
Cariaso gets the inbound.
Remember, both teams in the penalty cannot afford to foul. Abarrientos has it in the long court.
Rosella watching him. Abarrientos looking at the clock. They will go for the last shot. It's down to 6. Abarrientos. Whoop! Rosella with the race too. Bumagsak sa Abarrientos. Hawkins! Binigay kay Murillo! Murillo! Oh, Vintes! We are going into overtime! Magtatatalo sa Team Gold! Team Gold is jumping up and down. Who felt there was a foul? None was called.
There was no foul called by the referees, and that's the way it should be. In a championship contest, let the players decide the outcome of the game, but Timco literally up in arms. There was an escape back by Bong Hawkins.
Panoorin natin,
And that
panoorin
ball-
natin nangyari. Ito po nangyari mga kaibigan. Knee steal by Olsen Rosella. Abarrientos dives for it. At
And
ito,
Abarrientos will find Bong Hawkins. His path almost clear to the basket, and there's Aquino putting up the shot, and he missed.
Okay, mga kaibigan, si Tim Con, mainit na mainit pong nagsisisigaw. At sabi niya, bigyan niyo kami ng pwesto rito sapagkat pinapaligiran siya ng mga photographers, kinukunan ng litrato. Sabi ni Tim Con, huwag niyo na akong kunan ng litrato. Masama ang timpla ko. Masama ang timpla ng Alaska.
Tama lang yun. I
Yun.
thought it was a good no call on the part of the referees.
Okay, okay. 8-3 all. After the regulation, we'll go into overtime, but first, these reminders.